Hello, this is NicAtams Graphics. Today I'm going to show you how to remove copyright claim from your videos. Yes, I have two of my videos with copyright claims on them. So you can see this video, and then this is another one. So if you haven't that on your video, the first thing you have to do is that go to YouTube Studio and enter the go to content. Then your videos will pop up. You identify the video that is having a copyright claim. Tap on the video to bring you to this place. Yes. So when it comes to this place, what you do next is to tap on the copyright where they've written copyright. They'll bring you to this interface. Then you tap on review issues. Yes, tap on review issues. Just click on that one. Yes, so when you click on that one, it will bring you to this uh, place. So bring you to this place, then showing you the reason why your video has been claimed. Yes, so you see that I've written audio. I've used an audio who belongs to this person, and then that audio is a copyright is having a copyright on it. So when you have that, you have to tap on it again. Then it will bring you to this place, this interface. So the action that you take is that whether to erase song. If you want, you can erase the background song, then it will not be there. Or if you want, you can trim out segment. Trim out segment means there are some parts that is in the video where it is affected with the copyright. So you just trim those parts away. And then this one is to what? To dispute. Dispute means if you don't agree that the song that you use is not for you, then you tap on that one, then it will proceed so that you have to dispute for your right if the song is for you but somebody is claiming ownership of it. So it will come here. So this portion that is going to be trimmed out. Yes, so what you do is that you have to now tap on save. You have to now tap on save, the saving button at the down. Tap on that. Then when you tap on it, it will come here ready to trim the claimed segment. Yes, so you have to tap on trim. Click on the trim, then it will trim the parts that has been affected. Yes, so when you click on the trim, the YouTube is going to edit the video and trim those passes away so that you cannot be free from copyright claim. So you can see the video, it is written video editing in progress. So it will have to take some time to trim those passes away, and the claim on your video will be removed from it. So this is how you go about it to remove a claim on your video when your video is being having any copyright claim. You have to follow this process, then remove it and have your video. Thank you. Subscribe, like the video, share and comment.